How to create teams in Asana 2025. In this video, we're going to be talking about teams and how you're going to be creating them in Asana in the easiest and most simplest way. So, to make teams, do make sure to check the link down in the description below so you can get a proper plan for Asana. And once you've done that and you're here in your main board to create a team for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come to the left hand side of Asana and right here it says teams. So, what we're going to do is we're going to click on new team right over here and you're going to add a team name. So, let's say I'm going to call it creative. Okay. So, once you do that, you can start adding members to this team for yourself. So whoever your team members are, just start naming them, start adding them. And once you've done that, what you're going to do is you're simply going to click on create new team. And once you click on create new team, that is about it. That is how you can create teams in Asana in the easiest and most simplest way. So that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.